It's never been easier to find 100x cryptocurrency meme coins. I have some very specific filters that I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. I'm sure you've never set up your Photon account like this. I'm going to be showing you all the settings I use to literally be finding the top meme coins right now, today in the market. Each and every single day you can actually apply this strategy, so you can come to the market with a fresh set of eyes and apply it to this new market every day. As you would know, it's continuously changing. A lot of the trending meme coin categories are continuously changing day in, day out, even week in, week out. So to stay on top of the best performing meme coins of today or even this week, I'm going to show you my exact strategy. Don't forget, if you do enjoy today's video, to smash the like and subscribe. And if you check out my link for TradeWiz in this video description, you get a huge discount to the fastest Telegram trading bot available. Is what I use to trade meme coins every single day. So here I'm over on Photon. I'm using their meme scope feature. You obviously have newly created, about to graduate, and graduated. Now with the specific filters that I'm going to show you, we're able to really analyze to find these top trending meme coins. So firstly, we'll begin in this newly created section here. You're not really able to set up any selected filters. We're just going to be seeing literally every second new meme coins popping up, and that's absolutely fine. So on this left-hand side, we'll just be seeing the newest coins, so continuously 15 seconds, 19 seconds, and in literally a second or two, we're about to see another coin pop in, just like we see right here. So now how I've actually set up my about to graduate tab is that all of the best of the newly created coins are going to then move into my about to graduate tab, because here I'm not focused on the actual bonding curve of the specific coin. If I don't have any of these filters, it's just going to go by coins and their specific bonding curve. We could even find coins that are literally days old because they're really close to hitting their bonding curve, and that's not what I'm looking for. Whereas here, all of the best of the newly created wallets will then pop up into the about to graduate section, and that will then give me the opportunity to then quickly deep dive into the coin to see if there are any opportunities. So what are my specific filters? Here, we'll leave all of these top three on. We'll scroll down and I actually change by developer holding percentage to the maximum 20%. Then by insider holding percentage, I change that over to 30%. By age, I go to a maximum of 4 minutes. You can also go to a maximum of 5 minutes. So you're only ever going to be seeing coins that are created within the last 5 minutes and the best of the last 5-minute coins. And then lastly, we come down to market cap, and I'm going to put that as a minimum of $8,000. Once we hit apply, again, all of the best of the newly created coins will then come into the about to graduate section. So as we find some coins, as you just saw, there were a few in there, but they probably moved out of this about to graduate section because we have that time limit of only a maximum. Before it was 3, now it's 5 minutes. So you do need to act quickly on these coins, but this is going to give you the best opportunity because you're finding the best of the newly created coins. So we could go ahead and actually open this up and see that it was only literally just created. Come over to the 1 second chart and actually have a look what type of opportunities in here. We can see now the developers actually sold. And now you can see when we come back to Photon, it's actually moved out because this developer has actually sold, and overall is probably moved a little bit too low now. So now we're seeing there's multiple coins actually coming into our filters, now giving us a lot of opportunities in this meme coin market. Now we'll move over into the graduated section, because here is where I focus on being able to find what is trending today, what has been trending in the last 24 hours, what could give me the biggest opportunities, and what type of category right now is trending in crypto. So come over to this filter section, scroll down and put very similar filter like developer holding 20%, insider holder 30%. Really what we're majorly changing in this market cap is a minimum of 450,000. We don't have any age limit. And that's it. We hit apply. And now we're going to be finding the best of the tokens today. We're seeing these coins at 50 minutes old, currently at a market cap of $1.2 million. This coin, basically 5 hours old, already at a $2.2 million market cap. This coin, 5.1 million market cap. So these 5 coins, there's only a few here today that have shown that these are the best opportunities. And even now, I would actually open them up and see, could there be a pullback opportunity? Have we actually made a bit of a support to resistance flip on any of these type of coins? So I could open it up now and actually deep dive onto the 1 second chart. And when I was ready to actually trade it, because I'd just copy the contract address, I'd come over here to TradeWiz, I'd paste it in, and it'd be super easy to take a trade. Not only that, I really love their manual buy and auto sell strategy, where I'd manually buy, like you just saw, I pasted in the coin and I'd instantly buy, and then I could sell some auto sell strategies where I have an automatic stop loss. I also have some auto take profit levels at 100%, 100%, 200%, 300% at all these different levels. So I could set that up to basically be automatically trading for me. So I could not only find these top trending coins and find coins that are about to graduate or have all of my specific settings filled out. Now would be the best time to open up some of these graduated coins and see if there's any technical analysis opportunities like I've shown you in real depth in all of my Memecoin mastery courses available on my website. Here I can open up the first one, and instantly something that I see, one of my most favorite patterns, my support to resistance flip, where clearly we had a resistance level 3 times. We failed to break above this level, had a decent push to the downside. Once we get the breakout above, where do we get support in the market? We get support exactly at where we initially had these resistance breakouts. Now will act as a support. So we can always look for a trade down in these levels when we'd already be up around 10% on this initial position right here. Just trading the 1 to 15 second chart directly, now actually putting it into within TradeWiz to trade. Then we could move over to the next opportunities. And even here, I quite like this coin. We're continuously making waves to the upside. One thing we could do is even add the exponential moving average to our charts. We could come over to the indicators, EMA, and add the 20 EMA to the chart. I won't do that right now, otherwise this could be a 30-minute video. But another thing we could always focus on is support to resistance flips, where probably the last major support to resistance flip is really in this boxed area right here, where we really failed to break out. We eventually got the breakout. We didn't initially come back to support it, but we could come back in this level right here for a support zone. So we could actually wait for a trade and wait for this level to be come back into. Would give us a high probability trade. It would also give us a trade with a really good risk to reward, because we'd be really close to our stop, because we'd put it at the last swing low, which would actually be placed right here at this 379 level. So we'd really have a small risk with a high probability of reward. And those are the types of trades always looking for. Even with this one, has had a strong trend to the upside, but even here, initially these strong resistance levels acting again as another resistance. What I'd need to see is a breakout above this zone, then actually look for this zone to then act before as a resistance. Once you get the breakout, it will act as support. It's quite simple, but quite an effective strategy to use in this market. And it's really simple as that, using Photon to my full advantage, and then TradeWiz to take advantage of all my trades because of that major discount on all my Memecoin trading. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one.